Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Patekar Alka Narayan from Mahatma Phule Vidyalay Lawle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue study of Mathematics Standard 8, Chapter 2, Parallel Lines and Transversal. In previous video, we saw angles made by transversal. There are 8 angles formed at two distinct points of intersection. Today, we are going to learn pairs of angles formed by transversal. We will take a transversal AT, and AT is the transversal of line PQ and line RS, which intersects at point M and at point N. In figure, if we observe angle 1 and angle 2, the arms on the transversal MA and NM shows same direction, and other arms are on the same side of transversal, means arms MP and NR are on the same side of transversal. This is the pair of corresponding angle. So definition of corresponding angle is if the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angle. संगत कोन म्हणजेच ज्या जोडीतील कोणांच्या छेदिकेवरील भुजा एकच दिशा दर्शवतात आणि छेदिकेवर नसलेल्या भुजा छेदिकेच्या एकाच बाजूस असतात, अशा जोडीला संगत कोनाची जोडी असे म्हणतात. There are 4 pairs of corresponding angle. First pair is angle AMP and angle MNR. If we observe in figure, this angle 1 is angle AMP and angle 2 is angle MNR. Arms on transversal are MA and NM are in the same direction, and other arms MP and NR on the same side of transversal. So this angle 1 and angle 2, that is angle AMP and angle MNR, is a one pair of corresponding angle. Similarly, the second pair of corresponding angle is angle PMN and angle RNT. In figure, angle PMN and RNT is a pair of corresponding angle, means this angle 3 and angle 4 is the second pair of corresponding angle. In angle PMN, arm MN and arm NT are on the transversal and in the same direction, and other arms NR and MP are on the same side of transversal. Third pair is angle AMQ and angle MNS. In figure, angle AMQ shows by number 5 and angle MNS shows by number 6. So this is a 5 and 6 is a third pair of corresponding angle. Fourth pair of corresponding angle is angle QMN and angle SNT. In figure, angle QMN and angle SNT. Arms on the transversal are MN and NT are in the same direction, and arms MQ and NS are on the same side of transversal. Pair of angles shows by number 7 and 8. The corresponding anगलच्या पेअर आपण डायग्राम मध्ये पाहिले तर या ठिकाणी एक इंग्रजी अल्फाबेट तयार झालेलं दिसतं. तर कोणतं आहे पहा बरं हे अल्फाबेट. तर हे आहे इंग्रजी अल्फाबेट एफ. म्हणजे एफ हे अल्फाबेट आपण लक्षात ठेवलं तर त्या ठिकाणी करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगलची पेअर 7 and 8 तयार होते. करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल पेअर लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी तुम्ही कोणतं लेटर लक्षात ठेवणार आहे तर लेटर एफ. फॉर सेकंड पेअर we take the same figure. AT is the transversal of line PQ and line RS which intersect at point M and point N. Second pair is the interior angles. Definition of interior angle is a pair of angles which are on the same side of transversal and inside the given lines is called pair of interior angles. There are two pairs of interior angles. Interior angle म्हणजेच अंतरकोन, ज्या जोडीतील कोन दिलेल्या दोन रेषांच्या आतील बाजूस आहेत आणि छेदिकेच्या एकाच बाजूला आहेत अशा कोणाला अंतरकोन असे म्हणतात. In figure, angle 1 and angle 2 is a pair of interior angle. These angles are on the same side of transversal and inside the given line. Interior angle ची जी पेअर आहे ती पेअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एकाच बाजूला आणि या दोन लाईनच्या अंतर्भागामध्ये तयार झालेले. फर्स्ट पेअर इज अँगल PMN and angle MNR. If we observe, angle 1 and 2 are the angles PMN and angle MNR. Arms on the same side of transversal are MP and arms on the transversal is MN. And in MNR, arms on the same side of transversal is NR and arms on the transversal is NM. The direction of the arms on the transversal is in opposite direction. म्हणजे या ट्रान्सव्हर्सल वर असणाऱ्या अँगलच्या आर्म ह्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला आहेत आणि दुसऱ्या दोन आर्म्स MN, MP, NR या ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एकाच बाजूला आहेत. Now second pair is angle QMN and angle MNS. In figure, this angle QMN and MNS shown by number 3 and 4. म्हणजेच अँगल 3 आणि अँगल 4 ही एक अंतरकोनाची जोडी आहे. The arms on the same side of transversal are MQ and NS and arms opposites which shows opposite direction on transversal. If we observe the figure, a letter C is formed. म्हणजेच इंटेरियर अँगल साठी इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट सी तयार होतं आणि या सी या लेटर मध्ये अँगल 3 and 4 is a pair of interior angle. Now third pair. For this also line AT is the transversal of line PQ and line RS, which intersects at point M and point N. If we observe the figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are on the opposite side of transversal, and in the interior part of the two lines. So this is the pair of alternate angle. So the definition of alternate angles is a pair of angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal and their arms on the transversal shows opposite direction is called a pair of alternate angles. If we observe the figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternate angles. If we observe arms on the transversal is MN in downward direction and the arm NM is in the upward direction. So the arms on the transversal shows the opposite direction and other arms are on the opposite side of transversal. There are two pairs of interior alternate angles. First pair is in figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternate angles. If we observe the arms of the angle 1 and 2, here English letter Z is formed. In letter Z at the interior part, angle 1 and angle 2 are the pair of interior angles. So first pair of interior angle is angle PMN and angle MNS. In angle PMN, arms on the transversal is MN, which shows downward direction, and in MNS, arm on the transversal is NM, which is in upward direction, and other arms MP and arm NS are on the opposite side of transversal. Second pair of alternate angle is QMN and RNT. So in figure, QMN shows a number 3 and angle RNM shown by number 4. So 3 and 4, these angles are on the opposite side of transversal. So this is the second pair of interior alternate angle. Two pairs of exterior alternate angles. These exterior alternate angles are formed at the exterior part of the lines. So first pair of exterior alternate angle is angle AMP and angle TNS. In figure, angle AMP. Arms on the transversal is MA in upward direction, and in angle TNS, arms on the transversal is NT. This is in downward direction, and other arms are MP and NS are on the opposite side of transversal. This angle is shown by number 5 and 6. Second pair of exterior alternate angle is AMQ and RNT. In figure, AMQ is shown by number 7 and RNT by number 8. The 7 and 8 is the second pair of exterior angle. This angle AMQ and RNT is in the exterior part of line PQ and line RS. If we observe this letter Z, F and C, we keep in mind a pairs of angles. For alternate angle, here letter Z is here. These two lines are the parallel lines and this line is the transversal. So angle A and angle B is a pair of alternate angle. म्हणजे वितक्रम कोण लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी इंग्रजी अल्फाबेट तुम्ही काय लक्षात ठेवणार आहे झेड. झेडच्या इंटेरियर पार्ट मध्ये जे अँगल तयार होतात ते अँगल हे वितक्रम कोण असतात. म्हणजे अँगल ए आणि बी हा काय आहे वितक्रम कोण. इन दिस वे लेटर F shows a pair of corresponding angle. In letter F, these two lines are the parallel lines and this line is the transversal. Pair of angles formed are angle C and angle D are the pair of corresponding angles. अँगल सी आणि अँगल डी हे ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एकाच बाजूला तयार झालेले अँगल आहेत. So we can keep in mind for corresponding angle a letter F and for interior angle a English alphabet is C. In this letter these two lines are the parallel line and this line is the transversal and at the interior part of the angle these two angles is a pair of interior angles. म्हणजेच अंतर कोण लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी तुम्ही इंग्रजी अल्फाबेट सी लक्षात ठेवणार आहे आणि सी या अल्फाबेटच्या अंतर्भागामध्ये जी कोणाची जोडी तयार होते ती कोणाची जोडी म्हणजेच अंतरकोन. In this way today we learn a pairs of angles, corresponding angles, interior angles and alternate angles. Thank you. If you like this video then share my video and subscribe my channel.